Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do this digital tech. Today I will be showing you step by step on how to download video on YouTube using your mobile phone. Now let's head to YouTube. I'll be using one of my channel video as a case study. Now let me quickly show you something on in my gallery. Now this is the only video I have in my gallery, so let's go to YouTube channel to download. Once you get to YouTube channel, tap any video you want to download. And because of this recording, I'll be using the smallest. Okay, let me use this one. So click on the video. So once the video load, all we need here is to get the link. And how do you get the link of the video? Click on the forward arrow. Click on the forward arrow and it will bring this interface. Whether you want to copy the link, you want to twist the link, you want to direct send, it will give you several options for it. But what we are doing now is to just copy the link. The link has been copied, as you can see. So from here, we are heading to our browser. So in the course of this recording, I will be using Chrome. You can use any browser anyway. I'm using Chrome. You open a new tab, a fresh tab. Then the URL that has been copied, you paste it. Then you click on forward or enter for the video to load on your browser. Now, as you can see, the video has been loaded on my browser. As you can see, the video has been loaded. So from here, all I need to do is you can stop the video. Then you go to the URL box. Click on the URL box. It will show you whether you want to share, you want to copy, you want to edit. Now I'll be clicking on the edit. The pencil sign is the edit. Once you click on it, just scroll to the beginning where you have youtube.com. The logic here is that at the end of YouTube, before dot, you put pp. Don't forget, at the end of YouTube, before .com, you put pp. That is youtubepp.com/ all that are in front of it. So once you put it, all you need to do is click on go or enter. It will load your video to y2mail.com. As you can see, here is my video. So here you can determine whether you want to download the video or you want to download the MP3 of the video, or you want to download only audio. So in the course of this recording, we are downloading only the video. Now from here, you choose whether you want to download the higher version or the lower one. In the course of this video, we have 16.7 MB and we also have 8.1 MB. So I will go for 8.1. You might go for more than that, but I wanted to go for 8.1. So from here, you click on download. As you can see, it's loading. So you click on download MP4 again. As you can see at the bottom here, 8.08 MB details. So the file is downloading. The file is downloading. As you can see, y2mate.com have downloaded my video. Now, to be sure of what is going on here, let's quickly head to our gallery to go and see. Now, if you get to your gallery, you check your download. You can see I show you before I start this recording that I have only one video here. This is the second one now, which is the one I just download. So let me play it of what we download. As you can see, it has been downloaded. So that is how to download your YouTube video into your gallery. Now, another option here is that after you have copied the after you have copied your YouTube link, don't forget I said you need new tab. Now from here now, you can save yourself of using the code 7PP by going to y2mate.com. That's another option. When you go to y2mate.com, y2mate.com. Now this is the site. From here, all you need to do is just where we have search and paste link here, you paste your link, the one you have copied. As you can see, I have it here again. So you can easily click on download of any MB you wish to download from. So that is how to download your YouTube video or any video. If this video is of help, you can share it with others, and at the same time you can like our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. God bless you.